I want to explain something really quickly to you. So our kitchen pack right here is $126. So you can clean everything from cleaning your counters to your tables to your cupboards to your appliances to your oven. Everything in your kitchen you can clean for $126, and you can keep on cleaning with that set for 3 years. So people will say to me, oh, well, I just buy from the supermarket or Walmart and those bottles just cost me whatever. So our set costs you less than $1 per week. So I picked some big brands that people buy. And I just wanted to show you, it might not be your brand that you use, but you'll get the drift of the prices. So one that people love and seem to use a lot because it kills bacteria and all those things that says it does. So this bottle, I think I got it priced, I forget where, but it was $3.99. So people replace this once per month. So you buy this, and over 3 years, people are spending $144 for this to go down your drain. Another one, I highly discourage you from buying this because it is a huge waste of money and people are not getting the cleaning that it says it does because they're not using it to the full potential. But anyhow, another story. So this small bottle, it had 35 wipes in it. You have to replace this twice per month, $3.49. So over 3 years, that is $251.28. Garbage. Sorry. Another thing that people buy a lot of, I know I used to buy these before, 14 years ago. I bought these things that I'm showing. Like, I used to use these exact things. There's different types of these. I kind of picked the cheaper one. Were these guys. So these last about 2 months until they start falling apart or they stink because they harbor a lot of bacteria. So these are $4.47, and then you kind of have to replace them after